Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH and titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong second half ng January. So that's January 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, Pisces, energy update. Let's see what's coming. You have the second house. So this is Mars in Gemini. Okay. So Mars is the planet of action, the planet of initiation. So maaring meron kang i-initiate, sisimulan na bagong project that will bring money to you. So second house is your finances, your resources, your talents, your skills. So you're finally taking action. Yung iba sa inyo nasa field of sales, communication, no, or parang marketing. Maaring you are also a content creator that parang yung iba pwedeng siseryosohin nyo na yung pagiging content creator nyo and you will make it as your main source of income. So marami kang ideas, marami kang gagawing inspired actions for your finances ngayong second half ng January. And some of you are also learning a new skill, learning a new parang not just a skill but also bagong idea that will lead you to a new source of income. Okay, let's see what else. Pisces. Pay attention rin kasi maaring magkaroon din dito ng argument, no, pag-aaway or misunderstanding pagdating sa pera. Oo, with someone. You have the Ten of Cups. You have the King of Swords. The Wheel of Fortune, the Death card. Alam nyo, labas ng labas ang Death card. This is about transformation, change, energy shifting with the Wheel of Fortune. Halos lahat ng mga signs na nire-read ko ngayon may Death card, which is endings, release of old ways, of old patterns. You also have the Eight of Pentacles. Oh, very busy ang second half ng January sa inyo. Yung sa inyo, Pisces, you will be spending more time with your loved ones, with your family, going out with them, you know, gagawa ng mga activities na you will bond together, parang you will be spending more time with nature. Ayan, so this is fulfillment for you. King of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. I think yung mga changes na gagawin mo sa life mo, ngayong second half ng January, pag-iisipan mong maigi, no? Hindi naman to yung tipong biglaan na lang. I think you've been thinking about this lately, no? For a long time, pwedeng last year pa. And now, you have the courage, meron ka ng lakas ng loob na gawin na to. And I think you are getting a lot of support from the people na naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Whatever change na gusto mong gawin, maaring iba sa inyo, you will change house, no? Lilipat kayo ng bahay, lilipat ka ng trabaho. So, yung iba naman, you are leaving a situation for a new opportunity. And maaring nakakakuha ka ngayon ng suporta sa mga taong naniniwala sa'yo. So, yun yung isa rin sa importante sa decision making natin na may sumusuporta sa gusto nating mangyari. Oo. So, tinan mo, may Ten of Pentacles pa rito, which is stability in your finances. I think, maraming mga sources of income for you na talagang hindi mo inaasahan na malaki yung kinikita mo doon or kikitain mo doon. And then eventually, you realize na kailangan mo ring mag-invest, kailangan mo rin na may mapuntahan yung iyong pinaghirapan. So, maaring mag-invest ka sa real estate, sa mga properties, ganyan. So, kaya marami kang mga pinag-aaralan ngayon sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Meron ding messages dito coming through. So, if you have a business, you are gaining a lot of attention sa negosyo mo. Maaring may mga nagva-viral ka na posts about your products or your services, kaya you're getting a lot of attention. You have Mars in Taurus in the second house. Oh, so this is about, second house is also your money. So pareho rin, no? Mars is you taking action. And Taurus is about ipinaglalaban mo yung pinagkakakitaan mo. So, I feel like maaring meron kang gustong proteksyonan, no? Na naipundar mo or pinagtrabahuhan mo, inifortan mo, na ayaw mong bigla na lang tong mawala sa'yo. So, you are going to stand your ground. You're going to protect your interests. So, you have the moon in Aries in the first house, which is about protection. This is protecting your family, protecting your loved ones. The moon is also about your emotions. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong emotional na nangyayari or situation ngayon regarding your resources or financial situation na kailangan nyong i-secure, okay, para sa family nyo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring kukuha kayo ng insurance. You also have Mars and Pisces in the 12th house. So, the 12th house is anything that is hidden to you, something na spiritual. So, maaring meron kang i-explore na spiritual abilities, no? Especially that you are, Pisces are very spiritual person or people, someone na into spirituality or someone na merong talents, abilities pagdating sa occult or sa the esoteric, anything related to divination. You have Saturn in Gemini in the 3rd house. Some of you, maaring mabilis kayong ma-distract. Ang ibig sabihin meron kang plano, tas biglang mabilis kang mawala ng gana o kaya mawala ng interes. Oo. So, pay attention kung saan mo binibigay yung energy mo. Make sure na nag-a-align yan sa mga goals mo. Okay, true love come to me. Some of you are manifesting your romantic partner or your passion sa buhay mo. You also have all the energy that you need to make things happen para sa'yo, like energy sa career, sa trabaho mo, to be strong. You also have energy ng romance. So, yung iba sa inyo talagang you are attracting a partner. Oo, maaring merong unexpected na makikilala ka ngayong second half ng January that will lead to romantic connection. Okay, so sa money, career, finances, you have a decision to reconsider. So, kailangan mo ng guidance. Yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin. So, maaring you are reconsidering your decision pagdating sa business na papasukin mo, sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, kung pagpapatuloy mo pa ba, iiwanan mo na. You also have the 4 of Swords and the 6 of Swords. So, I think, yung iba sa inyo, you will try a different path pagdating sa career. Oo, maaring isipin mo na, teka, hindi na ito yung gusto kong gawin, hindi na ako masaya, hindi na fulfilling. So, you might, change direction pagdating sa trabaho, career, or sa business na tinatahak ninyo. So, sa love life naman, you have freedom and religion. Okay. So, this is about your spiritual beliefs. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are going through spiritual awakening na gusto mo pagdating sa relationship is someone na may pareho kayong belief system ng person mo. Kasi malaking bagay rin yun na yung paniniwala nyo ay pareho. Or kahit na meron kayong pagkakaiba-iba sa belief system ninyo, you respect each other, no? You have the 5 of Cups and the Moon. Okay. Some of you may be letting go of a connection, relationship with someone, kahit romantic, kahit friendship, kahit sa family, na alam mong hindi na kayo pareho ng pinaniniwalaan. Yung iba magka-cut off ng connection sa kamag-anak kasi iba yung paniniwala niya. Pag sinabing paniniwala, hindi lang naman yan sa religion. This can also mean yung mantra sa buhay. Pwede rin politics, no? So, man yung, basta parang you feel like hindi ako nag-agree sa kanya, or parang you feel like there's no point of getting connected to this person anymore. Love approaches unexpectedly. So some of you, like what I mentioned kanina, maaring unexpected relationship or connection with someone na pwedeng mauwi sa romantic relationship. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.